na, kaya tayo nasasabihang matanda.
Baka kagaya tayo dyan. Thank you sa ating mga That's My Bay.
Yes! At ito naman yung mga cute na kids na ipapakita ang kanilang galing dito sa Dancing in Tandem!
Let's start the party. Ito na nga ang DJ natin. Nakita ko sa Instagram.
Oh,
kagabi, may gig sa Belgium.
Belgium,
Sa
ha?
Belgium.
Tapos,
Hindi ko alam paano umabot dito eh.
actually, ang balita ko, naglanding daw yung private jet sa Amanpulo.
Tapos,
From Amanpulo, nag-chopper papuntang Broadway.
so confirmed nandito siya ngayon.
Confirmed na dito sa ngayon ang the one and only DJ Buster!
Hello, number coach, let's do this!
Yeah. Look, girl, you got me faded. Like I downed the whole bottle. Yeah, you walked in the room looking like a Victoria's Secret model. Girl, you got me faded.
Hey, number
Like I downed the
coach!
whole bottle. Yeah, you walked in the room looking like a Victoria's Secret
Hi,
model.
DJ Buster!
Girl, you got me faded.
DJ Buster! Good afternoon!
Girl, you got me faded.
Ayaw ka ng mga
Good afternoon!
Yan. DJ Buster, mukhang very, very busy. Napag-usapan natin, ang daming gig, iba-ibang bansa, no?
Ano din to eh, kayod kalabaw eh.
Oo. But I saw, DJ Buster, your equipment. You have some
Letters
new
and numbers and
letters.
shapes.
What's your lesson for today, DJ Buster? What's this?
A,
Wow.
S, I, A.
What does it spell?
Asia.
Very good, very good. DJ Buster, do you have a song for us?
Are you ready, Broadway? Say yo, ho!
Oh, oh.
Say hey, hey!
Hey, hey.
Say eat bulaga!
Eat bulaga.
Break it down. Ako bala sa inyo. It's number 1. If I got the way, we land today. Tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I show we were close, if I got the way, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Stop!
Remix. Okay. Buster, do you have another song?
Hit number 2. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Returning it to you. Where I say something, I'm giving up on you. Stop!
Okay, DJ Buster. Right now, madaming girls ang nanonood. Anong message mo sa mga girls?
Mga girls, ako pala sa'yo.
Ayan na!
Yes! Thank you, DJ Buster. Grabe siya, ang dami ng alam nito.
Ito na, Pops Jessic, magpapakitang gilas at galing ang mga cuties sa Little Dancing sa Dancing in Tandems Kids.
Edition, Paps. Ayan, oh.
At para sa ating Aldobs of the Day, narito na sina Alden at Maine. Papi, go ahead. Aba!
Hoy, bago ka.
Ano to? Ano to?
Ano, kamusta?
Judy Abbott ako today.
Ano?
Judy Abbott.
Judy. O, sandali. May tatanong muna ako sa'yo.
Ano yun?
Alden, maaga pa, ha? Maaga pa.
Oo, pero
Sige.
alam mo, hindi mo na kailangang umikot sa buong mundo para hanapin ang true love mo.
Bakit?
May address naman ako, bigay ko na lang sa'yo.
Ayun, tayo!
Alday, kapag pinuntahan ko yan, ha? Makudulat ka. sabihin sa'yo.
Oh, ano na naman?
Masanting ka.
Ano yung masanting?
Teka lang. Ano daw yung masanting?
Pogi ka, Alden!
Fantastic, baby.
Alden and Maine, may message si Baste sa inyo. Saan mo, Baste?
Tama na yan!
Okay po.
Okay po.
Alam mo na.
Sorry po.
Aldab, step of the day.
Okay na.
Okay, let's dance.
Hanap sa break it down, ha? Posing pa ngayon, ha? Okay.
Game.
Wait, I was talking to DJ Baste. Sabi ni DJ Baste, sorry Alden, but may message daw siya kay Yaya Dub. So, DJ Baste, go ahead.
Hi, Yaya Dab!
Hi, Baste.
Love you!
Uy!
Kaluguran na ka. I love you too.
Meron akong show.
Sa song.
Song
Ano
kanta
yung
daw.
song
May kanta
mo?
si Baste.
Ano yun? Parinig ako.
Keso, nabila, oh, nabi, haflo, curtain, your edges are your perfect and defects. You must, oh, show me, you, and then, and then, your goodness.
Tama. Kaya mo ba yun, Paps?
Stop.
All of me, ha?
Oh.
Okay.
Galing.
Para lang matapos na ang chismis, Baste, sino talaga ang pinaka-pogi sa lahat?
Ako.
Okay, tapos na. Eto na.
Tapos na ang usapan. Ito, narito na ang ating mga judges in tandem. Andito si That's My Bay Kim and That's My Bay Kenneth.
Of course, makakasama rin natin ang ating mga Dabber Cards. Si Dabber Cards Patring and Pauling.
Ay, may inspired.
It's just, Alden, it's just so nice to see Patricia
It's
back.
just so nice.
It's just so nice to see
It's so
Patricia.
nice.
Because she was not here yesterday.
Oh, yes.
Alam mo na-realize ko,
Ano na naman?
pag wala si Patring, absent siya. Hindi, ito.
Malamang.
Ang na-realize ko, kagabi, napuyat ako.
Ano naman?
Napuyat ako. Kausap ko ang pinakamatalinong scientist sa mundo. Lahat sila nag-usap-usap kami.
Okay.
Sabi nila sa akin, may prediction sila. Hindi na daw ako yayaman.
Oo.
Sabi ko, ang hindi nila alam, hindi totoo yan.
Bakit?
Dahil ang laman ng puso ko si Patring. And for me, Patring, you are priceless.
Nagalit eh. Yan. Gusto mo yan. Gusto sabi ka, Pi?
No
Kabilang kamay,
comment.
kabilang kamay.
No comment.
Kabilang kamay. Okay.
Since no comment, simulan na natin ang dance party.
Our first dancing in tandem is from Quezon City. They are both behind, or they're good in dancing and playing basketball.
Yan, here's Lee Gulilat and Sander Beloria. They call themselves the Groovers.
Extra!
I knew my rent was gonna be late about a week ago. I worked my ass off, but I still can't pay it though.
Oh, baby. Ooh, give me the time of my life.
Neo, let's get it. This is the last $20 I got, but I'ma have a good time ballin' in that. Tell the bartender, line up some sides, cause I'ma get loose tonight. She's on fire, she's so hot. I'm no liar, she burned up the spot. Look like Mariah, I take another shot. Just hold her, drop it like it's hot. Dirty talk, dirty dance. She a freaky girl, and I'm a freaky man. She on the rebound, broke up with her ex, and I'm like Rodman, ready on deck. I told her wanna ride out, and she said yes. We didn't go to church, but I got blessed. My rent was gonna be late about a week ago. I worked my ass off, but I still can't pay it though. But I got just enough to get off in this club and be a good time before my time is up. Hey, let's get it now.
Ooh, I want the time of my life. Yeah. Oh, baby. Ooh, give me the time of my life. Ooh, I want the time of my life. Yeah. Oh, baby. Ooh, give me the time of my life.
Let's get it now.
Oh. Tama.
Ayan, hindi pa tapos.
Hindi ba tama. Huy!
Ano ba tingin sa buhay? Nabaksin ka ba?
Huy!
Typo.
Tama.
Thank you so much, the Groovers.
At ito naman ang ating Dancing in Tandem number 2 from Cabuyao, Laguna. They love to dance and play soccer.
Very nice sport.
Very yayamanin.
Here are Jello Justo and Jaren Estorque. They call themselves the Kid Movers Crew.
Music me extra!
Let's go. Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl. You can be my new thing. The way that you move makes me go crazy. Pick it up now, drop, girl. You can be my new thing. Sexy girls, get sexy. Get sexy, girls, get sexy. Get sexy, girls, get sexy. I heard it's your birthday. Grab a drink if you're thirsty. I can see that you need an OG that can do you the best and the worst way. Pop it like a go-go. Drop it like a low-low. It's a GoPro, so I can watch that back. HD slow-mo. I don't care if it's the first date. I'll take you back to my place. We can skip first days, 'cause a player like me trying to slide into home plate. Clap, make it clap. Lights on, lights off, make it clap. Yeah, make it clap. My name ain't Santa, but you're sitting on my lap. Oh, the way that you pop, girl, makes me go crazy. Show me what you got, girl. You can be my new thing. The way that you move makes me go crazy. Pick it up now, drop, girl. You can be my new thing.
Antende! Antende!
Ito, ayaw tumig. Anyway, thank you, Kid Movers Crew. Yan, Pabisang.
Ito na nga hinihintay natin.
Mga pa-judges.
Dahil tayo ay nag-host lamang,
Host lang, dito ka na.
ang
Para
pinakamahirap na trabaho ay nasa kamay ng ating mga judges. Let's hear what they have to say. Let's start off with preparing our... naku, wala akong panyo.
Wala.
Oh my goodness.
Kamayin mo muna.
With That's My Bake Him.
Going on the Barcats. Alden, may kalaban ka na. May dimple yung isa, oh.
Saan dyan? Smile.
dimple yung isa.
Sinong Alden? Alden?
Sa first group.
Yung
may
first
dimple.
group? Naku, yung
May kalaban
nakasalamin.
ka na.
May
Aba,
dimple.
teka,
Nasaan
teka.
yung may dimple?
Magtabi nga kayo, Pops. Magtabi nga kayo.
Ito. Nakita ka na. Yes.
May Alden Richards.
Yan na!
Oy!
Ayun,
Ito ba yan,
oh.
Paps?
Alam mo, one thing I realized in life, ang dimples, pag pinaghirapan, lalabas talaga yan eh. Tingnan mo.
Pinaghirapan?
Oh, tingnan mo.
Paps, ang dimples inborn. Kaya wag na tayong...
Bakit ako? Tingnan mo. Wala talaga. Mag-host na nga tayo. Okay na, mag-host na tayo.
Oh, sige.
Oh, Kim, take it away.
Yeah, so onto my comment. They're very good. Actually, again, I saw popping and locking again. And yeah, they were amazing at it. And this just goes to show, age is not a restriction for talent. Yeah, thank you. Age is not a restriction for talent.
Uy, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Too much? What did he say? Alden, you lost a lot of blood. I lost my weight.
Your hemoglobin level is going down.
What did he say?
Huh?
What did he say?
No comment.
Okay na, no comment. Proceed.
God bless.
Proceed, God bless. Proceed.
At saka ako, Paps, the more you talk, the more you make mistake. Kaya shut up na lang.
Let's carry on.
Let's carry on.
Carry on.
That's my big edit. Ano yan?
Maayong pagpaniud to sa itong mga dabarkas yan nga Bisaya. O dili lang sa Sibutan ng Bisaya, maayong udto. Ang akong masulti sa ilang sayaw, makalingaw. Makalingaw means ma-entertain ka. O sabi nga ni Kim, poppy locking. Sa Bisaya pa na, pitik. Pitik yung galaw, pitik. Oo, pitik po. Ayun, sabi ko po sa kanila sa backstage na galingan na nila, enjoy. At ilang gibuhat ang akong giingon. Enjoy.
Alang dibuhat.
Ako hindi ko... Sebastian, naintindihan niya. Ayaw lang niya mag-share.
Okay. Patring, what do you have to say?
Okay, ang galing ng The Groovers and Kid Movers crew. Alam mo, napansin ko, nung bata tayo, puro kembot lang sayaw natin, diba? Pag kids nowadays, very snappy. Iba na yung choreography nila. Well-coordinated silang dalawa. So, good luck.
Parang kami lang, well-coordinated. Okay, never mind. Let's proceed.
Si Pauline pa, respeto naman, Pap.
Let's proceed.
Gusto ko yung sinusutsutan mo. Hindi, ang masasabi ko lang, mga bata nga sila. Unang-una yung energy, hindi mapapantayan niya na matanda. Napakataas ng energy nyo. Secondly, makikita mo na ang galing pa ng memory nila kasi halos hindi sila nag-ulit ng steps. Marami yung combination. And napakagaling dahil kitang-kita na sobrang nag-enjoy sila sa ginawa nila. Good luck and good job.
Good luck.
Oh, teka, baliktad.
Thank you, judges. Oh,
Do you want more?
Yeah!
okay, we'll give you more. Let the showdown begin.
Music maestro.
Ayun naman oh. What a showdown. Thank you, the Groovers and Kid Movers crew.
Para sa ibang mga dancing kids na talent, of course, mag-audition na kayo dito sa Broadway 3 to 5 p.m. Dahil ang mga requirements na nakikita nyo sa inyong mga screen.
At mamaya malalaman natin kung sino ang panalo dito sa Dancing in Tandem.
Pero papi, susunod na lahat mapapasabi ng Grabe Show! Lahat yan sa pagbabalik ng
Eat! Bulaga!